Hi friends, welcome to my X journey. So it's Mrs. Wan again. If you're a returning subby, welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, this platform talks about lots of things about Hermes. Occasionally I do talk about other brands like Chanel or Rolex. So if you do like these topics, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my videos. With an interview with hubby about how he scored a special order bag, I'll put the link above and down below. And if you watched that videos, you know I also scored something that day. So without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So what do you guys think about this? Do you know what this would be? Because this is also a bag that I've been waiting for 2 years. Almost. If you've been following me on some of my shopping vlogs, you will probably realize there's one item I always go in and ask, and I'm never able to purchase it. And this time I was finally able to score it. So let's unbox it and see what it is. Okay. So here's the care booklet. I think some of you might already know, or maybe not. I don't know. So let me just quickly open it. I think everyone is excited. Ta-da! So this is the mini Evelyn with gold hardware in blue Louet color. So before I go on and talk about this bag, I have a trivia questions for you guys. Do you guys know how many hoes are in this mini Evelyn? Don't cheat. Put a random guess in the comment below. Okay, anyway, so yes, I've been looking out for a mini Evelyn for quite some time, like probably over 2 years. The reason why is that this is such a very casual looking bag. You know, it can be like so hands-free by wearing it. And let me also show you guys something. So here's the button, right? So I just unbutton it. And a lot of people don't know or not aware of, there's actually, is it called stamp?
The hot stamp.
So Hermes did put a hot stamp here, okay? And the most important thing, this is the thing that you do not want to lose, because the date code is actually right underneath it. Okay, so this is the most valuable for this bag. So let me open it. There's some bubbles, and of course there's a strap. So it actually came with a special strap. So it's very interesting because I got this bag in March, but the bag, it's in Z stamp. So that means last year's bag creations are still trickling into 2022, which is quite interesting, like how the inventory is so backing up right now. And I just started to see this style of the strap start showing on the website. So on the other side, you can look at the other side. So it's a little different, but here's the Hermes hot stamp. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the stickers aside and I'm gonna hook it on for you guys to see. Okay, so it will look like this. This H logo, I know many people are wearing it like this, but the original design for the Evelyn, this size actually supposed to be at the back, okay? And the reason why is that this bag was created in 1978 as a carry-all for horse groomers tools. And perforated one side, which is this side, brushes and sponges could dry on the go. So that's why there's holes. So talking about the hose, let me review the answer of how many hose are here. So it's actually 63 hose. It doesn't matter what size of the evidence that you have, it's always 63 hose, okay? And for just the H here, is 23 hose. Okay, just for the information. So the oval itself is 40 hose. Okay, so now back to the stories, how I've been hunting for a mini Evelyn. So as you guys know, we shop with Hermes SA, and I have my own SA as well. So my SA also contacted me about mini Evelyn in the past. Unfortunately, the color that he offered or he had, it's in black. And I said, I don't want a black mini Evelyn. Like, I would take any color aside from yellow, orange, you know, as well as no black. So I don't know, in my opinions, I like it to have some sort of colors. So after the SO experience, after we picked the colors and everything, we were shopping around with Hermes SA, and she was asking, you know, what are we looking for besides other QUOTA bags? And I said, mini Evelyn. And then initially she was like, wait, not mini Lindy? I put you on another list for mini Lindy. And I was like, wait, what? We briefly mentioned I might want another mini Lindy, but then we didn't really officially say, you know, we want another mini Lindy. But I think we might have mentioned about mini Evelyn in the past, but I think she just realized how much I love the mini Lindy, and she just forgot about the mini Evelyn. And when she kept on saying mini Lindy, and we're like, no, mini Evelyn. And as we were picking out the silk, we sat down to talk again. And then she confirmed with us, you know, is it mini Evelyn or mini Lindy? I said mini Evelyn. And she asked, okay, so what color are you looking for? And I'm like, just no black, like any color but no black, and no orange, no yellow. And then she said, she was thinking a little bit and said, okay, let me look at something. And then we're like, what's just happened, you know? So that if you've been to the Madison flagship store, we were basically on the ground floor, like when you first walked in the silk collection. And then about like maybe 5 minutes or so, hubby received a text and say, oh, come downstairs. So we went downstairs, and of course, hubby's SA was carrying the box, and she showed, you know, she does have a mini Evelyn, and she said, when you mention no black, I have this to show you. And I'm like, oh, okay. And I saw this is a blue nuette, and yes, it's pretty dark color also, but because it's blue, that makes it different than just a plain black to me, okay? And it's with gold hardware, and we were a little bit iffy about the strap, but I know I can always, you know, look for another strap to exchange it. But overall, I think the combination is actually pretty interesting. So please comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the strap. Is it too noisy? Is it too loud? Or did you see any other strap that you would recommend me to buy just to pair with this, you know, to exchange the strap as I want to? But anyways, so that was that story, and we tried on, and you know, since I always been looking for a mini Evelyn that I can just, you know, grab and go. So I decided to, you know, take it. It's not that I don't like the bag. So I decided to take it. I can always look for the brighter color in the future. And another funniest thing that if I never share with you guys is that the Evelyn style was actually never my type of style. But because this is smaller, like this is a TPM, it's smaller. So this is a TPM and it's 16, which is much smaller. It makes it look a lot nicer in my eye, at least. So, because I did got an offer of an Evelyn PM, which is the 29 from my SA, and that color was in Nata. I was a little bit hesitant. I rejected it because I don't like a big shape of how the Evelyn looks. So, and I told him, I said, well, I'm only looking for the TPM for Evelyn. And I do like the color Nata, but unfortunately, he just never received the TPM other than black. So we'll see. So just spilling some tea as well. Our SA mentioned that she thought that I wanted a mini Lindy. So she mentioned that nowadays she needs to email the store manager and say, okay, so I have clients that want this and want that, and for non-QUOTA bags. So this is like quite interesting. It's like telling the store manager what we should bring in. I think that's a smart decision now, because then, I guess customer might be able to get more bags, perhaps, we don't know, but she said like we're just not gonna just wait. They will have to email to say, oh, I have clientele that are looking for this. As we were talking about the mini Evelyn, and she also mentioned this is actually the last one at the store, that also would push me a little edge and say, I have to say yes, because this is not black at least, and this is a nice blue nuet also, so of course I'll take it. And so she double confirmed with us, do we still want mini Lindy? Because if we don't want, she needs to cancel it. She needs to send an email back to the store manager and say she needs to cancel this. Initially on the day of, we said, well, keep it for now because maybe my mother-in-law would want one. But after we confirmed with her, and we immediately text Hermes SA and said, oh, actually forget about the mini Lindy for now for this year. So we told her to cancel the mini Lindy, but in replace, we asked for the Lindy 26 instead. So, which is quite interesting. And if your SA tells you this much, I feel like you do have the responsibilities on telling your SA what you want and what you don't want. That's my high suggestions, and that's how you also maintain your relationship with your SA. Just be a good customer, right? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos, and if you guys have any questions or concerns, please feel free to follow me on my Instagram, and you can private message me. Sometimes I will do like a little sneak peek on what I recently scored. By the way, just to give you guys a little suspensions. So this is not my first bag. This is my second bag of the year. Yes, I have not revealed my first bag with everyone. So because that bag was my birthday bag, and the birthday bag just came early, like 2 months early. So I'll be reviewing it next month, and it's also a mini bag from Hermes. So I highly suggest you guys who haven't subscribed to my channels, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications so that you won't miss that unboxing videos. And so as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!